Ito, Vic.
Sir Lon, obviously, laging ina-expect ang esports isa sa mga medal rich talaga for Team Philippines. So, kamusta na lang po yung preparation?
Right now, we're just finishing the final preparations, no? Kasi we have different schedules for the team, for men, women, and AOV. Definitely, the pressure is on the men's side. We want to defend the gold medal. It's going to be the fourth straight time that we want to get gold. So, historically, mahirap siya. But we are still confident due to our sustained excellence. Alam naman natin yung mga athletes natin world class, especially on MLBB. So, no pressure. We want gold. On the women's side, we want revenge. You would know that we actually came from disheartening loss. We went to silver. We want to get the gold as well. So on AOV, we still want to get a podium finish. It's a bit hard because AOV is the Thailand's game. But fingers crossed, we want to make sure that we have at least 3 out of 3 podium finish for our NSA.
Pero sir, would you say na very familiar naman, say for AOV yung ating, kumbaga, sanay tayo dun sa games na...
Yes, we always get the best of the best athletes for each mobile or game category for esports. It's just as a matter of prioritizing our resources on which games are most likely to win. On AOV side, it's a bit of a wild card just because Thailand is known to be very good, at least ML level on that specific kind of game. But again, we're always hoping for the best and sana supportahan nyo kami.
Sir, ano lang, kasi big win yung sa ML natin. So, gano'n confident lang kasi medyo maganda for this season, napakaganda ng pinapakita na they've been dominant in the international scene. Gano'n kapanatag na kaya natin i-defend yun.
Definitely, kung ano yung nararamdaman nyo, nararamdaman din namin. We don't want to say na gold agad eh. Anything is possible sa SEA Games. We don't want to say na gold na agad yan. That's arrogant. Diba? We have to respect our opponents. But as you said, our national team for Cebol MLBB is on a roll. Maganda yung pinapakita. And also the extra motivation of what they say in the Philippine League as the GOAT, diba? Pinakamagaling, the greatest of all time. Ito, he's going for the second gold medal. So the extra motivation from him is really there. And of course, again, the pressure is there. Mga fans natin can be toxic and can be very supportive. Yun lang yun eh. Positive and negative. But I know for a fact that the men's team is really preparing for this.
Sino sa palagay mo yung pinakamalaking tinik sa TLPH?
Well, mahirap magsalita, baka mainis yung iba, but as I heard from the scouting reports, it's Malaysia, possibly Indonesia and Cambodia. Cambodia kasi lason natin yun eh. Cambodia, lagi tayong nalalason. So, gusto natin, ano tayo dyan, ma-relax lang tayo. Kung ba, group stage, 3-0 or 4-0 para tuloy-tuloy na.
Speaking of Cambodia, parang sila yung nagiging laso na rin ng Navi League. So do you think sa women's, medyo yun ang magiging tinik ng Navi?
I don't know what's with Cambodia pero parang basadong-basado tayo ng Cambodia eh. Parang yun yung ano natin eh, weakness natin eh. But of course, I have full confidence na within our coaching staff, pinag-preparean rin naman nila yung Cambodia. But again, everybody's, the ball is round. We don't want to say na magcha-champion agad tayo, masyadong arrogant yon. Basta we will do our best. Kung sino man yung makalaban, bakbakan na yan.